Chiara.
Hi Ale, thank you for coming and helping out with the cake. The Community Connect event is coming up and I cannot do it without you.
No worries, I can't wait to start baking.
Cool, so did you bring all the ingredients on the list?
What list?
Are you serious? What are we gonna do now?
Well, we could ask the team for help. I'm sure they have everything that we need.
Cool, so let's start.
So, Sugar, who is the sweetest in the team?
I'm definitely the sweetest of the team, so I'm sending some sugar your way.
Thank you, team. You're definitely the sweetest. Next, beef and eggs.
Katya, would you have any?
Sure, I've got some here. Probably you meant chicken eggs, yes? Sorry, I don't have any.
I wanted to make an omelette, but I do think the community cake is much more important.
Thank you. Let me beat the eggs for you. Thanks, Caro. We are right on track. Next up, flour, yeast, butter, and cinnamon.
I have lots of flour. Here you go. Thank you for the flour, Noah. Here I have some freshly prepared cinnamon.
Butter? I think it should be here somewhere. Here it is.
Yeast? Here I have.
Thanks, team. Great effort. The base is done. Now we just need the cream for decoration.
While we're baking, can you please make the cream? The main ingredients are milk and butter.
Another butter? So I just used one, but I think I can just give you the rest. But I don't have any milk, so I hope... Anybody? Milk? So here we go, the butter.
Milk? Of course we've got you. Here is some finest milk from the Georgian mountains. There you have it.
Everything is better with the Georgian milk. But hey, are you sure you have enough? Here, take some more.
I think the cake is ready.
Let's see. Ooh, smells delicious.
Alright, I should have everything for the cream, but I'll let someone else decorate the cake. Wait, this is taking too long. Patty, you have a mixer now. Can you do it?
I'm not sure I will have enough to decorate the cake. I think I'll have to go for it now.
Thank you, Patty. Looks delicious.
Now it's time to decorate the cake.
Wow, fantastic job! The cake is done, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your contribution this year. And we are definitely looking forward to another amazing year together.
And now, enjoy Community Connect.